Today I have dissected the lymph node and lymphatic vessels. This is the right side of the thigh. We have removed the skin of the right side of the thigh, and we reflect the skin of the right side of the thigh. Here you can see here this is the superficial inguinal lymph node. This is the horizontal group of the superficial inguinal lymph node, and this is the vertical group of the superficial inguinal lymph nodes. So it divides into the three part. Superiorly horizontal part divided into the two part, medial and lateral part, and third part it is called the vertical parts. So medial part of the horizontal superficial inguinal lymph node, medial part, it drains the lymph from the medial part of the horizontal group of the superficial inguinal lymph node, which receives the lymph from the inside the female from the corner of the uterus, intramural part of the uterine tube, and it passes along the round ligament of the uterus via the inguinal canals. It also receives the lymph from the umbilicus, below to the umbilicus, area below to the umbilicus. It also receives the lymph from the external genitals, and it also receives the lymph from the scrotum and perineum and the lymph from the anal canal below to the Hilton's line. Inside the vagina, it receives the lymph from below to the hymens, and it is also receives the lymph from the penile part of the urethra and perianal skin. So this is the lymphatic drainage of the superficial group of the lymph node on the horizontal part of the medial aspect. Now we will discuss about the lymphatic drainage of the horizontal group of the lateral aspect of the superficial inguinal lymph node. It receives the lymph from the anterior part of the gluteal region. Also it receives the lymph from the anti-abdominal wall below to the umbilicus, and it also receives the lymph from the lateral side of the thigh. So this is the lymphatic drainage of the lateral group of the superficial inguinal lymph nodes. And the third group of the superficial inguinal lymph node which receives the lymph, it is called the vertical group of the inguinal lymph nodes, and it is receives the lymph from the along with the, it is always lies lateral to the great saphenous vein. This is a great saphenous vein, here you can see, and this great saphenous vein, lateral to the great saphenous vein, this vertical group of the lymph nodes, here this is the smaller one and this is the larger one lymph nodes, and it is receives the lymph from the whole of the lower limb along with the great saphenous vein, except the lymph from the small saphenous vein, and there is a popliteal lymph nodes. The deep inguinal lymph node, which is lies deep to the superficial inguinal lymph node, deep to it, and it is along with the femoral vessels. But here we have not dissected the deep inguinal lymph node, so it receives the lymph from the glands of penis and tip of the clitoris inside the female. Deep lymph node also receives the whatever the lymphatic drainage by the superficial inguinal lymph node, which is also efferent lymph which is drained inside the deep inguinal lymph nodes, and spongy part of the urethra, and also deep lymphatic vessels of the thigh along the femoral vessels. It is receives the deep it receives the lymph from the deep inguinal lymph nodes. You have to remember, only you can see the lymphatic vessels. If you want to see the lymphatic vessels, you can only see into the upper part of the thigh. Remaining part of the body, the lymphatic vessels, it is very microscopic, you cannot see. But here I have dissected the lymphatics vessels into this directly lymphatic vessels which is drained inside the lymph nodes. Here you can see on the all side around to it all the lymphatics vessels which is drained inside the lymph nodes, and the lymph node which is act as a to filter the whatever the debris which is inside. Smaller than these lymphatic vessels, also there is a lymph capillaries, but it is difficult to see by your naked eye. It is only seen by the microscope. And so hope you enjoy the dissection of the lymphatic vessels and the superficial inguinal lymph nodes inside the front of the thigh. Thank you very much.